God,
we're gonna check it out right now.
Somebody had in your chest to tell you that, because I don't know.
Hey, who talk like that, man? And the Charger, the Challenger makes a full pass and takes it completely down the track.
Italian?
Yeah,
Australian, okay. Or Austrian?
Okay, they said Italian and French.
French,
yeah.
Portuguese, maybe?
Hey!
Italian?
Okay.
And it's somebody who's smoked a lot of cigarettes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
Coming up next, we have the Dodge Charger. And it features a 3.6 liter V6 with a Virginia license plate.
Yeah, waving
so I said that's
hello, my
Dutch.
friend. Yes, we are from France.
Man.
Australian accents call everyone a cunt, but in the friendly way. Exactly. They get the
in the left lane, we have the convertible drop it top 5.0 Mustang. The Coyote motor.
I guess his buddy wants him to drive. See, this is totally a military car. You can tell a military kid
Yes,
bought
the
it.
Coyote
Out-of-state
motor.
plates, and it's a Dodge Avenger or whatever the fuck it is.
Is it? That's the Barrett voice. Mess up your girls up.
You had a passenger in it.
Dang, Niku. I forgot what we were supposed to be doing. He talking about something Sunday.
That was so funny.
Crazy. Let me see, boy, they playing that Mexican music tonight.
That is next level loud.
Yeah. What kind of speaker? The hell is that?
That's way down there too.
It's gonna make me goddamn me cumbia in this mother. I'm gonna start shaking it.
I feel like it's a directional sound machine pointed straight at my fucking ears. Nobody else hears it. It's like a weapon. They use it to fuck the streamers.
Hey. Oh man, he playing Feliz Navidad. Man, come on, man. Come on. Where we at? Man, why he won't get in the beam? He will not get in there. He think he got a bump box or something. He bumped in that thing like he got a bump box. Baby. Hola, montaña. Muévete. Suscríbete. Tu novia dice a ti. Hey, y'all already on my YouTube channel, right? You on that?
Yeah, I'm on that.
Oh, he on that too. There go my boy right here, y'all.
Look out.
Hey man, what that dude there, man? Hey, how much? $5? Bet $5. I don't think this thing running that hard. I don't think it's running now. Is it? I'm finna see her. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Oh, wait a minute. He got fire and shit. Wait a minute, man. Hold on. He got fire. I don't know, man. He got fire and shit coming out the pipe. He got juice or something. Man, we in this 10. I mean, damn, I only bet 5. I ain't want to scam. Hey, how much? I done got it. Paying for my 2 tacos tonight, y'all. I got me 2 tacos. Oh. Uh-oh, we watching from Miami, y'all. Man, I don't think I got change. Here, you can hold this for 1 second. What about you can hold it? Let me check.
Hey, this go live. What's this called?
Oh, I know. Okay, there you go. Boom, boom. Thank you. Oh, I should have let you hold it for a little bit more seconds. Get my money straight. Okay, now I'm ready. Thank you. Hey, y'all, everybody, 100 for 2 batteries. Oh, that's this Sunday. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Hey. El Pollo. That's for the chicken. The chicken, El Pollo. He about to make a full pass, y'all. I'm betting right here.
Hey, look out. You want to say something to your camera?
I done already said that shit
You
today.
don't want me to hold it for you and let you say something?
Man, I'm tired of talking, man. I've been talking
say
to
something.
him.
Let me hold it for you.
You wanted them to look at me? All right, hold on. I'm finna figure out what I'm gonna say to him when you hold it. Hey, what y'all want me to say? Yeah, I'm gonna practice on my what I'm gonna practice on my yeah, I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Hey, look out, make sure y'all